Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I do a green stir fry, which is a dish called Assoura. It's a Lebanese Middle Eastern dish, and it's very delicious, nutritious, and very healthy. Okay, so for the Assoura, which is the stir fried greens, we're gonna need some grains. Traditionally, they use dandelion, but you could use any grains like Swiss chard, kale, spinach, or you can use a mixtures of all. And for the stir fry, what we're gonna need chopped onions, sliced garlic, and for flavoring, we're gonna use some dried mint, if you have it, or you could use any herbs you like. We're gonna add some little bit of hot pepper flakes, salt, freshly ground pepper. Of course, we're gonna use the olive oil, and we're gonna use lemon juice, and we're gonna add some delicious pine nuts to it. So for the greens, if you buy them fresh from your supermarket or farmer's market, you have to blanch the greens for about a few minutes to tenderize them. But if you use frozen greens, then all you have to do is... So here we have a frozen greens here. So what I have to do here is I have to squeeze the juice out of it. And the same way you do the squeezing if you have fresh greens that you blanched yourself, okay? You try to squeeze as much juice as possible from the greens. See, becomes like that, okay? Okay. Here we are. So here we are. After I squeeze all the greens, now I chop it to be like a julienne type cutting. So I take a little bunch like that, and I just cut it, as you can see, like that. So I continue cutting the greens into strips like that, okay? So I continue, as you can see here, to chop the greens, so it will be like bite size when you stir frying it, okay? Okay, now we start the stir frying. We add our olive oil I'm using here. This green dish likes olive oil a lot, okay? So after my oil is warmed up, so I add my onions. Okay? So I saute my onions with my olive oil here until the onion got little brownish, because we need that caramelization of the onion. All right, so it takes a while to do that, okay? So when my onions got a little brownish like this, so I'll add my sliced garlic. So I stir my garlic around, and I'll cook it for maybe 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, to mix it and let it release its flavor with the onions and the oil. Okay? So after I put my garlic, I will add my salt. Well, salt is up to your taste, like seasoning. You always can adjust the seasoning later, okay? Add the fresh garlic as well with the onions and garlic. So to bloom the flavor of the garlic, the pepper, So this is a good idea to do it right with the onions and garlic. All right. And you stir fry everything together like that. So the onion, the garlic, salt and pepper with the olive oil. So as you can see here, it's nice and we have a brownish color. Okay, now we add our greens to the mixtures, the onion mixture. Okay, and we stir fry everything together. As you can see here. And we cook this mixture for about 7-10 minutes together. Okay, with this dish, when you stir frying greens, you have to keep stir frying in the pan. You don't let it sit by itself because it might get burnt. Okay, so after 8-10 minutes, I'm adding my flavoring now. We have some dried mint here, so I'm using this strainer to add my mint. Okay, and I mix my mint thoroughly with the greens. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of the hot peppers, just a little bit. It depends how much you like it. I like a little bit, okay? Okay, so after stir frying the greens for about 10-12 minutes, now I'm adding some lemon juice, and of course the lemon juice is up to your taste, and this dish likes lemon juice. Okay, so I mix the lemon juice with everything here. Okay, and now I'll add my pine nuts to the mixture, and I will mix everything together. Okay, so I mix the pine nuts with the greens. Okay, and now our green stir fry is ready. We will taste it and adjust the seasoning. You might have to add a little bit salt, pepper, little lemon juice, maybe a little olive oil, and of course you do it to your liking. Okay, here we are. I hope you guys try this very healthy and delicious and nutritious dish, and let me know. All right. And of course, we will post the written recipe for you on our Facebook page. Okay?